Hello students, here's a quick little recap of today, Unit 4, Day 5. Main gist of today was given a point and slope, write it in point-slope form and slope-intercept form. Point-slope form, if you remember the equation, is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. M represents the slope and x1, y1 represents the point that it's going through. In slope-intercept form, the equation's y equals mx plus b, where m represents the slope and b represents the y-intercept. So let's try a couple and see how we do here. First problem, let's say it goes through the point -2, 4, and we have a slope of -6. So what we're going to do is, first off, we know that the point that it goes through is -2, 4, so that's x1, y1, and we know the slope. So we're going to take the point slope formula, which is again y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, and we're going to plug it in. So we're going to do y minus 4 equals slope -6 times x minus x1, -2. From here, what we're going to do is simplify it a little bit, get rid of like the minus negatives. So we have y minus 4 equals -6 times x plus +2. Now we are done. This is it. That's point-slope form. So if it asks you for the equation in point-slope form, that is it. You are done. And then usually it also asks you to write it in slope-intercept form. So what you're going to do to get it into slope-intercept form is you're going to take the point-slope formula, this y minus 4 equals -6 times x plus 2, and we're going to solve for y to get it into slope-intercept form. So we're going to do the distributing of the -6, so you have y minus 4 equals -6x. You can do plus -12 if you'd like, or minus 12, however you want to write that. And then we just need to get rid of the minus 4 by adding 4 to both sides. And from there, we will now have y by itself. We have y equals -6x, and then it's plus -8 or -8, however you want to write it. Now we've solved for y, and it's now in slope-intercept form. And we're done. So we'll try one more problem doing the same kind of thing and see how it goes. So with number 2 here, let's say you have the point that it goes through is -6, -10, and the slope is 1/2. Alright, so right away we know that the point it goes through is x1, y1, and the slope m is 1/2. The point slope formula again is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So what we're going to do is plug it in to get it into point slope form. So y minus y1, -10. Don't forget it's minus negative. Don't forget the extra negative sign. Equals m 1/2 times x minus -6. From here, you can leave it like that, but I'd get rid of the minus negative stuff, add the opposite, and you'll end up with y plus 10 equals 1/2 times x plus 6. And that is now in point-slope form. So that's all set. And now we need to get it into slope-intercept form. To get it into slope-intercept form, you're going to solve for y again. So we're going to take this equation, this y plus 10 equals 1/2 times x plus 6, and we're going to distribute the 1/2. So we have y plus 10 equals 1/2 x plus half of 6 is 3. And then from there, you're going to get rid of the plus 10. So you subtract 10 from both sides, and you get y equals 1/2 x minus 7, or plus -7. And now y is all by itself, so now it's in slope-intercept form. So that's just a quick little recap of Unit 4, Day 5. Hope that helps. Thanks.